Bodaq Interior Film that sets the trend. The harmony of natural material and artistic sense. Coexistence of stylish color and distinctive design. Even presenting a natural space that invites rest. Bodaq adds taste to your space. High-quality printing layer, outstanding flame retardant performance, and stable adhesive performance. Not only easy installation and repair, but it can also be applied to any shaped surface. Bodaq pursues health and safety. Bodaq's deodorizing effect and far-infrared radiation effect can be a solution for sick house syndrome. Its strong fire retardant performance is attested by an authorized national agency.